Hey there YouTube, Chaos Cuber here. Today I'm just going to do a quick average of 5 on my new Rubik's Cube Lite, as you can see right here. It's going to be all hand scrambles, and don't expect me to be very fast. I just got this cube and it's not super broken in. Time with a Stack Mat Gen 2 right here, and I'll show you the time under the light when I'm finished. But anyway, let's get right into it. Okay, that's about good. You can see, scrambled here. Let's see, quick look around the cube. I'll get going. Okay, ready, set, go. Okay, there you go, 121.58. That show up on there. Let's see here. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, going on to the second solve. The first one was pretty difficult. Finger tricks are quite difficult on this cube. It's quite stiff. Cool to be able to solve in the dark though. Right now I'm averaging around like 30 seconds on normal 3x3, so 121 is pretty good. I was hoping to get more around 1 minute, but like I said, I just got this cube yesterday and this is my first solve, so anyway, that looks about good. Let's see here. Quick inspection and then I'll get going. Okay. A 130 millimeter cube, so about 13, well I guess it's 13 centimeters, obviously. So quite a large cube. I'm not sure what the inch conversion is, but that's the numbers I've been hearing floating around on the cubing community. A lot of people have these puzzles. Not sure exactly why. Actually got a pretty good deal on this one on eBay for $25. So that's why I picked one up. Not think the deal is still active. I got the last one on the auction, so put links if I can. I don't think I'll be able to find another deal like that. Let's see how. There we go. Totally messing this up here. See what it's like quite hard to do like finger tricks and even solve this thing fast because it is quite stiff. I have the Crazy Foot cube as well as the other, see, the 18 centimeter cube. I got solved. Let's see if I can get that on camera here. Kind of at a weird angle too. There you go. 1 minute, 7.4 seconds. Scramble it. frame there a little bit. Insertions are not fun. Yeah, so it's a slower one here. That's what I'm feeling. Getting F2L right. My hands are getting kind of sore. That'd be kind of cool to try this in the dark first before I try like light solves, because it's kind of cool being able to solve a cube in the dark. There's not a lot of, I think this is the only LED cube on the market, so a unique experience. I'm going out of camera here a little bit to keep it in. Look, OLL and PLL, except for a couple perms I know. And speaking of that, here's one of them. What it's called, I think it's H perm. Yeah. There you go. So that would be quite a bit slower one there. My F2L didn't go very smoothly. Let's see if I can get that. Yeah. 1 minute 46 seconds. Set, go. Out of frame again. I'll do my cross. So go out of frame on that. A catch here. Surprisingly, I'm finding I have no problem remembering algorithms on here, unlike the 18 centimeter cube, which is actually pretty difficult, just because I can wrap my hand all the way around it. A lot of terms I know. What this one's called. Let's see. Something wrong. Let's see. Okay, so DNF, 142, and scramble set for the final one here. It's funny I say I do all my algorithms, of course, right when that happens. Crazy, the light is bouncing all over the ceiling and stuff, it works kind of like a prism. There you go. Got a good scramble here. Over. Let's see if I can get one more good one here. Sub 130. exhausting solving with this cube, so be aware of that if you want to use this as your main or something. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. You'll get very strong finger muscles though, I will tell you that. It's like a six-pack on my fingers. To get pretty well lined, it does cut corners a little bit because it does have springs in it, but not very well at all. Okay, this is getting very exhausting. There you go. 115. There's a skip there, some sort. Yeah, see that? Yeah, I think you can. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe below if you like this video, and stay tuned. In the next couple of days, I'll be having the Rubik's Light Cube review coming out. And also, leave in the comments, do you have the Rubik's Light Cube? And if not, are you planning on getting it? So anyway, thanks for watching again, and KS Cube out.